Hi, I'm hairstylist Amanda Marie. I've been a hairdresser for 12 years now, and I was an educator for 7 years. I consider myself more of a colorist, so what I'm demonstrating here is I have 8 mannequin heads with color on them, and I also took the time to take 3 models and color them as well. I put some dramatic haircuts on the mannequins and a couple of dramatic haircuts on my models, and then I'm going through and actually styling them with a lot of texture. Not only do my clients inspire me, but the nature, Mother Nature, everything around us. Artwork inspires me, gives me ideas for colors, color placement. Architecture gives you ideas for lines and dimension and haircuts. So anything and everything around me is an inspiration. The things that I'm focusing towards and goals that I'm working towards now at my level is to work with photography work. Previously I had been an educator for a manufacturer, so I learned a lot of amazing insider techniques, and it got me into networking. So now I'm focusing on doing more events, more photo shoots, and getting my name out there to be a part of something bigger than just being behind the chair. I have a Facebook account that's called Hairstylist Amanda Marie, and that's pretty much I've got. I also work in Des Moines, Iowa, in a studio, Salon Zaza, in Studio 122. My name's Amanda Marie Corey, and I'm a raw artist.